When I tiled my bathroom, I had to make some miter cuts, and some of them look like these. And I don't really know the right name for a cut like this, but I guess I call it a flat miter cut. And I made a video on how I made these with a hacksaw. But I also had to make some vertical miter cuts, like this one. This one's on an outside corner. And then there's this one. This one's an inside vertical miter cut. Since I don't have a tile saw, I wasn't sure how I was going to be able to make cuts like these, but then I got the idea maybe I could use my bench sander. Since the tiles that I needed to cut were ceramic, I figured maybe I could hold the tile at a 45-degree angle and grind down the miter. But I didn't know how I was going to be able to hold it at 45. You know, if you're off, you're off. So I made a jig that lets me align the tile at a perfect 45, and I can slide the tile down while the sander's running, and I can get a pretty good 45-degree angle. I put a fence on this jig that's can be adjusted, and what that lets me do is, if I find that I'm off a little bit like that or like that, I can adjust this thing so that I get a really nice cut. When I get the fence straight, I put a clamp on there to keep it aligned. By flipping the tile over, you can make a cut for an inside corner. Yeah, as you can see, the construction of this jig is pretty simple. It's basically 3 big pieces of wood. I had to make some cutouts for the power switch, and there's another cutout here I'll show to you. That's for the power cable to go in. And then I put some little flanges on here so that I could clamp the jig down to a table. And let's see, we'll look at it from the back. There's a couple of flanges up in here, but that's just to attach the top to. And then this brace here is just to stiffen it up some. So, I don't know if this will work for porcelain tile or not. It might. It worked for ceramic tile. And I was pretty happy with it.